In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Zen Browser faster. So there's actually a few things you can do. I'm going to show you all of them, and then at the end, the ultimate solution in case none of those work. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're basically going to go ahead and check the performance. So to do this, we're going to go to the very top left, click on those three dots, and click on Settings here to open up Settings. And in here, we're going to click on the search box up top and type in Performance. There we go. When you do this, it's going to already pop up the performance over here. As you can see, it says performance, use recommended performance settings. Now make sure this is enabled, okay? Because if it's not, it could actually basically downgrade the performance of your browser, okay? So make sure this is enabled. That's the first thing. Now the second thing I would recommend is if you have like a lot of different tabs open over here, just close some of those down. Just click on those X buttons next to them and close them down, and it's going to work much better and should work much smoother as well, okay? That's the second thing. The third thing, which is crucial and very important as well, are the extensions. So in case you have like a lot of extensions, maybe just turn some off or even disable or delete them. So go to down here inside settings where it says extensions and themes, and in here if you have like a lot of different extensions, just go ahead and delete some of them, okay? Delete some of those extensions, turn them off if you don't need them, if you don't use them anymore. Maybe you have a lot of them on there and you don't even know because you installed them at one point and forgot about them because you never actually used them. So delete these first and then proceed on to the next step. Now mind you, you can also whenever you want to, you can just enable them or add them or install them again, so it's no biggie if you actually install more rather than fewer, okay? So the next thing you can do is actually clear the cache. You want to go to the settings again, type in cache up top, and here it's going to say cookies and site data, and it's going to say clear browsing data. Click on this button here, and then in here you can select when. I'm going to just do pretty much everything here to actually clear everything, so you don't have to do this. You could just do it for the last few hours, last 2 hours, whatever you want to do. And then here you can select what you want to clean. So I'm going to clean the cookies and site data and the temporary cached files and pages, okay? Whenever you've done that, click on clear, and it's going to clear your cache, and this will make your browser a bit smoother, or at least hopefully it should. Now the next thing you have to do is update the browser. So in case you haven't done the update for a while, make sure you check for new updates on their official website, because that could actually work as well, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much all the steps you can take. However, if none of this worked, you could have like a bunch of different things on there that you can't actually know and are actually slowing down your Zen browser. So we have one more ultimate solution, okay? And what you can do is basically reset Zen Browser. Just know, if you do this, if you actually do end up resetting it, it's going to reset all of your settings and pretty much everything. So, of course, take caution if you are trying to actually reset it, because this will erase all your data, all your profiles, settings, themes, everything on here. So make sure you know what you're doing if you want to approach this. And if you do, just go ahead and basically close down the Zen Browser, go to the search box down here at the bottom and type in run. Open up the run program, and inside this box type in %appdata%. In here, click on OK. It's gonna pop up the file explorer, scroll down to the very bottom, and here it says Zen. In here there's gonna be your customization files, your profile groups, your profiles, etc. Just delete this folder, and this is going to completely reset your Zen, okay? So click on it, click on delete, and you can just exit this, and the next time you actually open up Zen Browser, what's going to happen is it's going to start from the beginning. It's going to basically require a fresh installation, and hopefully this will help with your performance issues. So that's how to actually do it. Those are kind of all the steps you can take. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.